Hi, I have a viewing on a property with yourselves in 10 minutes on Preston New Road. This is it here. We've just arrived. Nope, I'm at the wrong house. 100% it's the same estate agents, but it's definitely the wrong house. If this was done up to the best possible standard it could be done up to, as in no money is really spared, where do you see these on these roads around here?
You'd be up to about 240,
yeah.
Maybe a bit more. It's still going up. You know, people are saying they might come down, but no one's got a crystal ball.
What a fantastic house. If I can secure that for 150, I reckon it'll hit 250 on the market. Maybe it needs 40, 50 grand spending on it. So it's a good project. I'll make an offer this afternoon. We've got the keys, we're ready to start the renovations, so come inside, take a look, and let's see what we're going to do with this one. Here we are, we're inside, same shit, different day. It's always the same with letters. Every house we buy, anything with probate, anything like that, piles of letters are absolutely crazy. This is the first time I've been back in since we purchased the property, and I'm really happy. I'm going to give you a quick tour around, show you what we're going to do, keep it short and sweet, give you some overlays of stuff that we're going to do, and then talk numbers and start the renovation. Starting off in the second sitting room, this wall here will be knocked out. It goes into the kitchen, make a lovely open plan kitchen dining room, huge space. The whole house needs a full renovation. This will be replaced with patio doors and windows leading into the garden. As I walk round and I'm telling you what we're going to do, stick around till the end because we've got a very, very special surprise on our videos going forward. We have some very, very cool CGI stuff to show you. This wall, like I just said, will be knocked out, making this one huge open plan kitchen dining. This conservatory type thing behind me is being removed, completely knocked out, so that won't be here anymore. And just behind the camera we have a downstairs toilet that we are actually keeping. Now we are in the living room, main reception, whatever you want to call it. What a huge space this is, but this wall is coming out, that wall is coming out, so when you open the front door you will walk straight into an open plan living room. The house is incredible. So let me show you upstairs and then I want to talk some numbers with you. It's 3 bedrooms and the bedrooms are super spacious, really huge. The bathroom is massive and it has a toilet that is separate, but this master bedroom now will have an ensuite. No walls being knocked out up here, fully refurbed, spotlights everywhere. You know what? Enough talking. Just take a look at this. CGI, it's the stuff that we're going to incorporate into our videos moving forwards, and the weeklies incorporating it. Every single time we're doing something, we're trying to level up, make it more interesting for you. Now, it's the numbers, which, you know me guys, is the most important part of any deal. We purchased this house for 150,000. With stamp and legals, it was around 157 all in. The refurb that we quoted when we bought it was around 40k. But now we've walked around again, I reckon we're gonna have to spend about 65, maybe 70 with the annex out in the garden. So all in all, we could be spending around £230,000 on this. The end value, I reckon anything from 280 upwards. If we don't do the annex and we just knock it down and make the garden nicer, it'll be around £45,000 to get this house into a top best house on the street level. So then we're looking at around 205,000 all in, and end value then would be about £250,000. That's what we've predicted. That's what we've done our due diligence on, and all the agents around the area have told us the same thing. We went to about 6 or 7 different agents, and again, we know the area really well. So the profit could be anything from 50,000 to 80,000 on this one. So yeah, happy, I'm happy. Another one purchased, and at least we've got to show you what the end vision looks like. This is something that we're going to incorporate a lot more in our videos, and hopefully you guys are inspired by what we do. So I'll see you soon.